Welcome back to another episode of Lindiorslife. Today we doing crimps. We're crimping our hair. I referenced this in my last video because it was about this install of this quick weave, but let's get started. Definitely need a crimper and definitely turn it on. And don't forget that he protected. My God, I definitely did. Okay, sorry. But I need to let y'all know, spray that heat protect and give it time to soak into the hair, and then let's get into crimping. So I took decently sized sections. I started from the back, and this is the real-time speed of how long it takes to crimp. I think a lot of the times with crimping, people just think like, oh God, it's gonna take me forever, so I'm not even gonna do it. But actually, one hair section only took me a minute, and this is real-time speed. You go in as close as you want to the actual like root of the hair. You press and crimp, and then once you pick it up, you move to the next curve. So like the last curve that you had, that's where you start your crimper, if that makes sense. So it's just an even like wave. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's pretty much what you do along the whole shaft of the head. You can do smaller sections, larger sections. I try to not keep it on the ends as long as possible, but keep it in the middle, like hold it in the middle a little longer. Okay, and this is sped up because, let's get to it. So yeah, like I said earlier, make sure where you end your last crimp is where your crimper starts the next crimp. So you have an even distribution, and it's just curves and cute and very nice. What I will say is this crimper gets hot, and it really just has like an on-off switch. So just know the tools you got, okay? Sorry to say. And then when I got to my natural hair, this is like a leave out quick weave, I sprayed a little dry shampoo because it had been like a week or so since I styled my hair previously. And then I just did not leave the crimps on long. Like I put on for like a couple seconds and kept going because I didn't, I don't want to fry my hair off. And I don't think the top of my hair even really needs to be like super hard crimps. Like I like the looser look at the top, if that makes any sense. And this is what I was talking about earlier. I use my dry shampoo to kind of refresh my natural hair. I have right now in this section, it's my natural hair with just a little bit of the weave, basically. A little bit of the tracks, and then my natural hair, and I'm literally pressing it quickly. This is real-time speed. Just quick press, just so it has a wave, but I don't want it to burn, and I don't want to overly process my actual hair. So yeah, that's how I do it. You can always add a little bio oil or any type of like shining oil. My hair actually is a little shiny without that, so you don't have to, but that's always a good little touch. A little hairspray if you wanted to really set. But honestly, these lasted me a couple days, like 3-4 days with no need to re-crimp. But yeah. And here's the final look. So cute. And honestly, y'all, I don't know. Outside's calling my name.